1 minute skate park guide, Gladstone Park Skatepark, Gladstone Park. Now this is a very simple skate park. It's a very old one. It's been here for ages and the concrete's pretty old, but they've just redone it. This ledge here used to be a wall ride, which I was super excited about doing, but they've cut the wall off and now it's a really sharp ledge, which is not the best. There's a fun box here. There's a ramp and another ramp. It's like a negative fun box over there. And it's got like a fun little technical ledge with a couple of steps on there. But because the concrete's so old and crusty, you can't really grind the steps unless you did some serious work with a rub brick. There's a really nice P-rail there. It's hard to approach on one side because there's only a little bit of room. There's also a ledge, which is really nice. It slides well. And there's the smallest ledge that you've ever seen in your life, which is less than 1 meter long. And yeah, this skate park's a tiny one. It's all right. I enjoyed it. I'm going to give it 1.5 VBs out of the 6-pack. Go Gladstone Park.